What's the meaning of bewilderment? Bewilderment. Bewilderment.
Bewilderment. Bewilderment. Bewilderment can be defined as a state of confusion or disorientation. It is a feeling of being perplexed or puzzled, often caused by a lack of understanding or knowledge about a particular situation or event. When a person is bewildered, they may feel uncertain, hesitant, or even anxious. It can occur in many different contexts, from personal relationships to professional settings and beyond. For instance, a person may experience bewilderment when confronted with a complex mathematical problem, or when trying to navigate a new social environment. Ultimately, bewilderment is a natural reaction to the unfamiliar or unknown, and can serve as an opportunity for growth and learning.